Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn class 8 of Maharashtra State Board General Science. In the General Science we are going to learn the chapter number 5 inside the atom. So first definition of this chapter is students what is meant by matter. So matter is made up of very small particles students. So for example we can take example of chair. So chair is made up of very small particles. Tables, pen, pencil, water, petrol, milk, plant, sun, computer, cat, cloud, steam, glass, butterfly. These are all examples, students. These are examples of matter. And matter is made up of what, students? Matter is made up of very small particles. Now, in the surrounding, students, you can take any example which is made up of very small particles. And very small particles we can give a name, or we can give a name is known as a matter. Now students, you already learned in the last 3 classes matter can exist in one of the 3 main states. So these are you already learned in the class 5th, 6th and 7th standard. So matter can exist in one of the 3 main state. First state is students solid, second state liquid, and third state is gaseous state. Now students, solid means what? Solid means it is often hard material like chair, table, pen, pencil. These are all hard material. Computer, glass, these are all students hard material. Now liquid. So liquid, if the liquid fall on the floor, it spread on the floor. So we have to fill the liquid in the container. So gaseous states we can see in the surrounds in air. Whatever the surrounding is, we can see the gaseous states. Now students, we will learn the next definition is atom. So an atom is the smallest particle of an element. So what is meant by element, students? So element, a substance whose molecules are made up of one or more atoms which are exactly alike is called an element. So in the 7th standard, students, you already learned that there are 92 elements in nature. Scientists have produced 26 man-made elements. So therefore total there are 118 elements. So scientists discovered 118 elements. So out of that, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, tungsten, argentinum. So these are all examples of elements, students. Out of that, only we have written the 2. So in the exam, you can write at least 2 examples. Next definition is molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of a compound. Now what is meant by compound? Compound, the substance formed by chemical combinations of 2 or more elements is called compound. So now we will take the examples. Water, common salt, sugar, washing soda, these are all examples of compound, students. In your textbook, student, page number 28, types of a substance column is given. By learning all these basic definitions, you can easily write down the answers. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye.